Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on three-step problems. Three-step problems normally involve three separate operations. We need to read the problem carefully to decide what operations to use. Now, example 1. Sue earns $135 each day for a 5-day working week. She pays $92 in tax each week, and her living expenses are $436. Now that is for the week. How much money is left over? So here's the solution. So here's our first step. We have $135 each day. If we multiply that by 5, that gives us the total amount of money for the week, and that's $675. And you can see there we have all the working showing the trading. So that's the total amount she earns for the week. Now, her bills, that is her total expenses including tax plus other expenses, all you do is add those two up. So if you add those two amounts up, you get $528. So they are all the expenses. The money that's left over, which is what we are asked to find, well, we have 675, which is that amount there, and we subtract 528. So there's all the working there, showing all your trading, and that gives you $147. That is the amount that is left over, and that's what the problem was asking. Example 2. The population of 4 different schools is, here are the 4 numbers. There they are there. What is the average number of students, and what is the difference between the smallest and largest school? Now, before we find the average number of students, we have to add these 4 numbers up, if we remember from a previous video. So if you add those 4 numbers up, that gives you 1,700 students. And here's the trading. You remember the working to find the average, the sum of the numbers divided by 4, because there are 4 numbers. So 4 divided into 1,700, that's your working here, showing the long division, which we did in a previous video. So you will see that the average, we have 425 students. That is the average. We're also asked the difference between the smallest and largest school. Okay, so the largest school is 538. The smallest school is 345. So we do that subtraction, and you will see that the difference is 193 students. So this video has introduced the idea of three-step problems, and remember we have to read the problem carefully to decide what operations to use.